call my daddy, that's a lawyer, and you will regret.
In a world where deception meets adrenaline,
Sir, you're gonna get tased. Sir, back off. Sir, that's my money, sir.
discover the jaw-dropping tales of shoplifters who believed they could dance above the law's tightrope.
Just sit down and relax, okay? Just breathe.
Watch their temper tantrums concealed with an attitude break-off.
You're gonna.
I have a hand. Give me the cup.
You're not going anywhere, you shoplifters. Stay right here.
In case you got confused, this screaming girl from Hillsborough is not the one being robbed. No. It is the other way around, actually.
You shoplifters, stay right here, and we're gonna call the police. You're gonna get arrested. Oh, you gonna start kicking?
Yes.
You gonna start kicking at the shoplifters?
This loss prevention officer caught Sarah Michelle Jarvis stealing items from the shop, stuffing them in her bag, and taking off with it as if it were a regular Tuesday for her. She had no idea that the officer on duty was not to be played with.
You'll go to jail.
Good. You shoplift. You can't shoplift here. Why not?
Yeah, why not?
You don't shoplift here. You can go somewhere else, but not here.
What? Let's give me my...
You're not going anywhere, you shoplifters. Stay right here. You're gonna get arrested. It's real simple.
You just hurt me in the parking lot.
She instantly started to scream about her rights, while infringing on those of others. The man who caught her started off by warning her to not shoplift there again, and gave her the opportunity to right her wrongs. But Sarah got more and more stubborn with each passing second. Look how she fought the officer like an entitled, spoiled child.
Give me my...
You're not going anywhere, you shoplifters. Stay right here.
The altercation only kept escalating. Sarah did not let go of her death grip on the bag, and the officer did not let go of his grip on Sarah. I'm sure you wouldn't have seen such spoiled behavior before.
Just get him to let go of me.
Listen. Are they coming? Okay.
Go with my purse.
Ma'am.
Yes.
You gonna start kicking out the shoplifters? I did.
Yeah.
I sure did. Oh, really? I'm gonna take you to jail.
Sarah was finally brought to her place by the officials. It was only for too long that she could behave like an entitled thief. But believe it or not, she eventually did get away with it. The charges against Sarah were dropped, and the record was expunged. Justice wasn't entirely served, despite all the officers' hard work.
You're being filmed, ma'am, and everybody is accusing you of the police. You've done your job.
Come here.
Can I have my glasses, please?
Turn around. Chairs behind your back. Drop your keys.
He actually is.
You face the other way. Don't move. Got it?
Yeah.
The perfect public meltdown started with denial, defiance, and an eventual defeat. On August 4th, 2023, officers in New Mexico received a call about a woman who stopped to pick up a few items from the general dollars with no intention of paying for them. But it wasn't a good day for shoplifting, and she was about to find out exactly why.
Hey, come here. Come here, both of you. Were you with her?
No, he wasn't. Sir, please.
Walking from the store out of there.
Sir,
Oh,
please.
okay.
Sir, please.
Ma'am,
Please.
I need to talk to you.
But what? Sir, I don't have any money. I'm like, so usually they're cool with it. Please.
The woman wanted cops to take some pity on her after getting caught, so she shifted her approach and tactics by playing the infamous sympathy card. She even listed out all the reasons she should not be caught for a crime she clearly committed.
That's not fair. I'm hungry. I have so much fun.
What is your name?
Just let me go. Please, sir. I pay for everything.
Let's
Just
start
let
there.
me go. Please. Sir, please. That's not fair, though. Why? I'm not just cool about it.
Listen to me.
Please, sir. God. I worked so hard for you guys.
When all the begging didn't make much of a difference to the cops, she increased its intensity. While refusing to accept reality, she flat out denied even committing the crime. And then she made a move that came as a surprise to everyone.
To hire a lawyer, one will be appointed
I
to
know,
represent
you know
you
what?
before any questioning.
She told me to leave first. I was sitting in the store. She didn't tell me to. Well, how many pay for it? She told me to leave, so I left, right?
Chloe.
So I have the right to leave. Excuse me, sir. I'm talking to him.
Listen to me.
Excuse me.
Listen to him.
I was talking to you, right?
Listen to him, okay?
Come on.
He's trying to talk to you.
Sir, come
Listen
on.
to him, okay?
My life is hard to know, guys. I'm trying to be held back by you guys.
Turn around, put your hands behind your back.
Sir, I don't deserve to
around.
get arrested. No, I'm begging you. Please.
Chloe, come here.
Please.
What are you doing?
After a brief attempt to escape, She was caught again, but her entire persona changed in just a matter of minutes. She started bad-mouthing the cops. See her getting beetroot red with anger as if she's being wronged somehow?
My job.
And what is it?
Cordial with the nurse.
I think I am.
We'll continue.
Oh, I see. I heard it. It's great. Did you know that?
Yeah.
Did you know that? Wow. Looks like it, huh? You guys are such morons. Chloe, how are you? Excuse me, can someone give me some water?
I can get it for you. Just so you don't spill it.
No, I think I can drink myself, you dumbass. I don't want you to pour my water for me. Give me the cup.
You're gonna calm
I
down.
have a hand.
Okay, and you're gonna calm down before you get this.
Thank you.
Calm down.
What the
So much screaming and yelling did Miranda no favors. What could have been just a shoplifting charge turned into that of battery upon an officer, obstructing, resisting an officer, and shoplifting.
No, I'm asking you.
Stand up.
Shut the up. Bro, you guys are so like ridiculous, seriously.
Alright. Bye.
Oh my god.
But I bet this case was nothing before our next entry, in which the woman quite literally shoplifted the whole shop. This woman from Florida overestimated her acting abilities. She got caught while trying to scam the self-checking system of Walmart. Authorities came to escort her towards her rightful punishment, but she was not ready to let things go that easily, which led to an uncomfortable episode.
Alright, man, do me a favor. Stand up. See the tablet? Put it down. Alright, come on. Stand up and turn around. Your first charge is that's what it is. Do not move.
Can I get my medicine, please?
And just after a couple of minutes, she started with her theatrics. She was no ordinary criminal. Her acting was so legit that the cops actually fell for it and started providing everything she kept repeatedly asking for. Watch it, you'd probably fall for it as well.
Come on, the seat is up. You gotta get up.
I know, I am.
Okay. There you go. Come on.
I have anxiety.
You're fine. Watch your.
Please take me with my daughter. Please.
You're fine. Just breathe, okay?
I gotta breathe.
Doe eyes filled with crocodile tears, she got the cops exactly where she wanted them to be, deterring them from being alert. She continued to look miserable and made the cops do things for her, asking for one thing after another from her bag.
You want me to put it in your mouth for you and then light it
No,
up?
I got it. No, I know.
You got it? Here, I got you. I'll light it up for you. There you go. Okay?
I shouldn't have done it tonight. I should have.
That's fine. You're gonna keep your shoes off for now? You're fine right now? You're good? Okay.
I just want to call.
Ma'am, don't move from right there.
Her plan was pretty clever, and we have to give her props for trying. But professional cops that are trained to catch even the most ruthless of criminals versus an amateur shoplifter, there was only so much that the woman could have gotten away with.
I will toss in the cigarette. Don't throw it on the ground here. I got your bottle. I'll throw it in.
I don't think you're allowed to leave cigarettes on.
I know.
Sorry.
Hey! Man, stop.
How many opportunities did we give you? Huh?
The situation intensified, and so did the charges after her attempted escape. She was charged with not just shoplifting, but also resisting arrest. All her attempts to fool the officers and run away went in vain, and she ended up getting the lesson of a lifetime.
Walk on.
Well, you just made it 10 times worse. Why did you think running was gonna be smart?
I don't want to lose everything. I'm a good girl, please. I'll pay for everything. Why can't I pay for everything and be done with it?
So I know what's coming out of it. They guaranteed me. With the highest. Never again.
On August 18th, 2022, in Florida, a woman was caught at Walmart selecting a purse from the shelf, removing the price tag, and then placing various other merchandise inside the purse. When she passed all points of sale and exited the store, Officer Latham confronted the woman. Honestly, her behavior would make you think she's royalty.
I'm only gonna tell you one more time. Step inside, have a seat on the bench.
I'm gonna step inside and you gonna let me out. I'm gonna step inside, she got what she wanted. If that's the case, here go my food stamp card. Give me back all my money on it.
With a defiant attitude and complete refusal of her crimes, her conviction would really make you wonder if she really had stolen anything. But don't let that temper tantrum fool you.
If not, I'll just take you to the county, because I really don't care.
I don't go to jail.
You don't? Because you can't today.
What I'm telling you is I don't go to jail. I don't have a record.
Right, but what I'm telling you is today you can make your way to the county. Number one is this purse and also the clothes in this cart that you bagged up at the register. So let's change the tone.
She made the whole situation so messy that the security officer had to put her in handcuffs. And man, oh man, that was not an easy task. Little Miss Shoplifter thinks she can do anything in custody. Waltzing here and there, the constant badgering really gets her nowhere. With the constant cussing, she made one last attempt to intimidate the management by constantly threatening the cops.
Get this shit off me. He got this cuff in my hand and I swear for God, I will call my daddy, that's a lawyer, and you will regret it.
Take a seat, man.
After passing some snide comments at the officers, the woman outright refused to go to the jail, thinking she had a say in the matter. The situation escalated badly, and it was a piece of work getting her into the cop's car.
Stop, I'm gonna take you to the ground. I'm telling you right now, take you to the ground.
I'll go sit down.
No, now you're gonna get put in cuffs.
For what?
Stop tensing up, I'm gonna take you to the ground.
This girl named Honesty and her boyfriend were caught shoplifting at the Dollar General store. The girl remained in the background, letting her boyfriend, Albert, do all the talking. And soon enough, the boys in the blue sniffed out the crime that they'd been trying to sloppily hide. Apart from some store items, they also found drugs on Albert.
Don't do anything stupid. Stop. Look at this. No. Come on, buddy. Come on. No. Let me see it. Let me see it.
You're gonna have a big problem if you sound stupid. You understand me?
Soon enough, the couple was being escorted towards the exit. Their slurred speech and lazy walks indicated that they were indeed high. Later, it was revealed that Honesty stole the underwear for her son. And I guess that could have been forgiven, but all the other items and drugs just made it way worse.
Cash belongs to him. Yep. That was in her pockets.
This was in their kids' underwear. This, I don't know what it is. This is for girls, correct? Yeah, okay.
You're gonna get a citation as long as you don't do anything stupid, and you're gonna go about your business, okay?
Officers started the questioning. The girl seemed hesitant, reluctant, and even zoned out, but the officer tried his best to weed out information from her. Later, it was revealed that there were warrants out for both of their arrests.
Have a seat. If you guys would have just talked to us and done what we asked, you guys would have received a criminal trespass warning and gone about your business. None of this would have happened, but his actions dictated.
It turned out that all that sloppy, lazy, and apathetic behavior was not just a lack of fear. There was a substantial reason behind that, which was still stuffed in the girl's hoodie.
She still has items in her clothing. I have 972 on the way. Make sure there's nothing else.
What started off as shoplifting turned into a much bigger scandal. Turns out the couple were bigger guns than they looked. Hear it out for yourself.
You get him outside. He has like 4 warrants. The girl has a warrant. We verify what was in that bag. The bag has meth, what looks like heroin, and 6 blues. The girl had a bunch of property still stuffed in her clothes. So I got her for shoplifting.
On December 22nd, this woman named Adelie was found wandering around in CVC Pharmacy, acting all suspicious, as the store was closing. She did not obey when she was asked to leave, which made the officer more doubtful of her. Watch.
Put your stuff down. You gotta leave. Yes, or else I'm gonna escort you out.
Oh my God.
Put your stuff down.
No, I don't want to.
I didn't ask you. I'm telling you. Put your stuff down.
Oh my.
We're leaving.
She tried to get away with it by running out of the store, but the alarms went off. The cops quickly catch up to her, arresting her for the crime. Watch as her attempt to escape the situation goes in vain.
I didn't steal anything.
Then why is there alarm system going on? We are. We're going to.
Okay, but I didn't
take it off.
That's all my shit that I bought.
Putting her into the cuffs was honestly a piece of work, as Adelie started to threaten the cops by stating that she is a member of a notorious gang. Her claims riled up with every second, as she warned them by saying that her gang members wouldn't like her arrest. Maybe she was creating elaborate stories for intimidation, or was telling the truth.
What the fuck are you doing?
Stop.
Don't you fucking do that.
Stop.
No.
You're gonna be in cuffs. You're going to.
No, I'm not.
Yes, you are.
What the fuck?
Stop.
I will kill you.
That's fine.
Yeah, they ain't gonna kill you. What the fuck are you
Put your hands
doing?
behind your back.
No.
I'm in a gang. I'll fucking kill you. Okay, we're done.
What did I do? Knock it off. No.
Stop.
I'm a disciple. Knock it off.
This disciple was a hard catch for the cops, but they did the work anyway. Despite the empty threats by Adelie, if that's even her real legal name, they paid no heed to it and continued with their routine work.
I don't want you guys to die. They'll kill you for killing me.
Okay.
I wouldn't kill you guys.
Okay.
I got you guys back for life.
Okay. ADA.
ADALE. That's my government name.
And
It
then-
is my legal government name.
What's your last name?
ADALE. That's my real name, I swear.
It's so hard to tell like what is stolen and
Turned out that she had stolen $800 worth of makeup. She was charged with 7 more crimes afterward. So, this definitely was not her first or last time doing it.
hang on, I'll tell you here in a second.
I didn't steal anything.
We found stuff in your bag that they said is theirs, okay? And then,
Dude, I don't lie.
okay, and then you resisted, then you made threats to us, okay? And then you were kicking and scratching us. So,
I'm off my mind. I might have blacked out. I didn't realize it.
did you